July 29th, 2581. Hoover Dam, Project Inception. Honestly, this choice was as much about restoring pre-invasion water systems as the dam itself, although I admire the audacity of 20th century humans powering half a continent via a single river. October 4th, 2581. Hoover Dam Project Report. I have debated whether to respect the original dam builders by using their methodology, or to construct the dam with modern techniques. I have decided that I am a restorationist, not a masochist. January 7th, 2582. Hoover Dam Project Report. 96 humans died making the original dam. I lost a pair of drones in a fall today, and tomorrow I have to shut down production to explain to 3 committees why it happened. October 12th, 2582. Hoover Dam Project Report. Ducks. Migratory ducks in my reservoir, and I have to halt construction until they move. I don't even think this was a migration path in the biological era. January 28th, 2583. Hoover Dam Project Retrospective. Honestly, having been through the whole process, inventing fission would have been a quicker way to get power to the North American West Coast for those ancient humans.
Love this taste of the robot world of Project Transhuman? Discover how to read or listen to the complete 6-book series today at projecttranshuman.com.